Thank you for joining us here at Bitter Reality Brewing. It's going to be short and sweet. It's an announcement of the Brewferm giveaway winners. Yes, the winners. The turnout wasn't as big as I had expected. A lot of people missed out, but for the ones who didn't miss out, we're hooking them up. Cody S. Yes, I'm not giving you out everybody's name. Then I have the option of hooking you up if you're local. But Cody S. out of Eau Claire, Wisconsin, won the complete Brewferm Belgian Homebrewing Craft Beer Kit. And it's a little nicer than even this one, as it's going to include the capper and some caps. Very, very, very excited. Cody's hooked up. He's very excited too, so looking forward to getting that shipped out. Brewferm's already taken care of that. Sent them the email. We'll be good. Prize number 2. As you see, I've got things going on. Finch G out of Mobile, Alabama, won the Sacred Saison Craft Beer Homebrew Mix, which I have right here. Perfect condition. I will be shipping that out on Monday. I've already given Finch a heads up. It's going out. Awesome. I still have it on tap. It's still drinking it. It's almost gone, but very, very nice. A little on the darker side, but it still falls within the Saison. Something you may be taking notice to, which we'll mention here in a minute. I'll flip that around there, but prize number 3, similar to these, Belgian Glasses, a 4-piece set to Ashton C out of Greenville, West Virginia. I'm thinking South Carolina, but West Virginia. I kept that prize kind of vague because I was afraid I was going to order direct from Amazon and have it delivered. I was afraid it may be out of stock, so I had to shift gears. Actually, I hooked Ashton up. They had a nicer brand, a little fancier, that looked identical to these that I love. So I grabbed that. I've already made payment to Amazon, and that should go out hopefully tomorrow. It'll have it by before the end of the week. Yes, you're seeing some more things here. Belgian IPA, we'll be brewing that here soon. That's courtesy of Brewferm. Thank you. And then I told you on Brewferm, they have right now they're running like 20% off. Even though I got a nice deal for 10% off, the 20% off is a much better deal for the holidays. There is a 30% off if you subscribe to the extracts. Yeah, I love a good deal. Trust me, that's why I tell you don't buy things unless they're on sale or you can get hooked up in some way. It's always better. If you know they're running a deal, take advantage of the deal. I took advantage of the deal and I got the Flemish Fiend, which is the Flemish Brown Belgian. I showed it to my son, my older son, tonight, and he's all excited. He's like, oh dude, can we put that in some sort of barrel and age it? We might just do that. But every 90 days I'm gonna get a different one for 30% off, which means I'm paying literally 30% less. And shipping is very economical. They're not overcharging on shipping at all. I think they're shipping something down. But every 90 days we'll brew a different Brewferm and let you know what we think. And same thing with this one, but this one might get brewed and you might not get what we think until many, many months later because he wants to age it in some sort of little barrel. I'll have to see what I can buy that's not a crazy price because a lot of people charge a lot of money for those barrels. So thank you again for joining us here at Bitter Reality Brewing. It was a great contest. I'm sorry if you missed out. If you did miss out, keep watching. We'll try to do something again in 2021. I doubt we're going to do anything this year. We are getting close to 1,000 subscribers, so maybe we'll have to find a way to celebrate that. But if you do extracts, or you consider extracts, or from time to time you're stuck in the snow, the ice, or even in Florida where we have lots of rain and storms from time to time, I'm sorry, but brewing one of these things is awesome. All you do is dump sugar, water, the extract, stir it up, let it ferment, put it in your keg or put it in your bottle, carbonated. If you're doing your bottle, you got those little, there we go. I knew I had these little sugar bottle shots that you can drop in. Makes it super simple for measurement. You don't have to actually measure anything out. It is a nice alternative when you don't have the time to sit and brew, which can take many, many hours in a brew day. Trust me, I know I'm a little rough for wear today. We did an oyster stout yesterday. We did a double raspberry Belgian blonde. And today the oyster stout we pitched was a Belgian yeast. Also, I'm kind of keeping with that Belgian thing. I love Belgian beer. They just have so much going on. Thank you again for joining us here at Bitter Reality Brewing. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for the support. And I will try to show as much appreciation as I possibly can